I think we've done a lot when it comes to infrastructure development. And we've done quite well when it comes to the equipment supply. What we do not have is the staff, the medical staff, particularly the specialists and super specialists, and we don't have the proper management. And that's why we are looking to cooperate with the private sector to take their experience when it comes to management. Our people are not trained in management. What we need is a proper team to manage them. But again, we want to bring in the specialists from abroad to come and do the surgeries here rather than us sending people abroad, which is quite expensive. So I want to put a request to you that what we need, and I would say this, I want to be specific. We have 4 areas whereby most of our patients are sent abroad. One is cardiac surgeries. And this takes a lot of money because, as you know, in Africa, the valve issues are rampant. So we are sending a lot of patients to India for valve replacement. But number 2 is oncology. Yeah, we are having a lot of cancer patients where we are sending all over the place. Some are going to South Africa, to Kenya, to India, to Turkey for cancer treatment. All areas of cancer, both surgical treatment of cancer, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, and now there's new ways of doing it. But most of our patients, nobody can be treated locally for cancer. And then we have neurosurgery patients. You know, the brain and the spinal cord surgeries, some are done here, but the very, simple ones. Any complicated neurosurgical case will go abroad. So if we have these 3 areas of specialization, plus of course orthopedics, yes, the joint replacements are also most of them done either in Dar es Salaam or in India. Now here is a center, state of the art, but we cannot use it because we don't have the medical personnel and we don't have the right management. And this is what we need. So we are happy to collaborate with the private sector to be able to perform these surgeries here. And the government, one thing is that rather than sending a patient to India with the cost of transport and a relative going with them, doing it here will be half of the price. Yeah, so we would very much want to be able to build that capacity locally so that we can do the surgeries here. Yeah, all these hospitals you have seen, they have diagnostic equipment, all of them. Yeah, so actually we do not need a diagnostic center. What we need is management and doctors to operate what we already have. Yeah, and of course medical tourism will fall in place because, as you correctly said, not only for the tourists, even for ourselves. Now if you fall sick, you have to travel. And this is very unfortunate. We need to change this. Yeah. Finally, I would say that the environment in Zanzibar to have a good medical university will work very well here.
Usisahau kusubscribe, like na kucomment.